Hello again, quick tool review. I'm in the middle of doing that test ring actually. I've just took a little break, the postman's just been. This is a C-clamp kit for Bridgeport size mill T-slot, 16mm or 5/8 diameter. Found it on eBay. It's just arrived. The supplier is H2 Industrial Supplies in Poole, Dorset. Very good price, I thought. It's come the next day. I only ordered it yesterday. At £38 off them guys. So there you see, first unboxing. It's that one there. On the camera. Yeah, get the details for it there. Standard sort of kit. It does come with, look at that, comes with a spanner and a T-slot cleaner, which is quite nice. Let's get the pair of scissors on that. Not seen that before in one of these kits. I've got one already, but it was actually for my old milling machine. So the T-nuts were small. That's a 3/8 diameter stud. I was made some new T-nuts, but as with always with these milling jobs, you seem to always run out of clamps and nuts and T-nuts and things. So yeah, T-slot cleaner. That fits nicely on mine. It's good. Spanner's a little bit. It's not the pressed tin type. It is perfectly usable from looks of things. Quite a good thickness to it there. Reasonably well packed. A few little bits have fallen about here. See that? It's the standard, as I said just a moment ago. It's the normal sort of arrangement with these things. Studs. The threads look well formed. I know some of them are terrible. No problems there. With the nuts, T-nuts, normal kind of T-nut, and yeah, they thread fine. Yeah, they've got the little stop to stop you winding them through into the bed. Does it fit the mill behind me? No problem at all. See that from there? Let's just have a look. Camera. Yeah, floating, yeah, that's fine. And we've got 6 T-nuts, 6 flange nuts, all the studs on the usual step blocks and coupling nuts. And a spanner and T-slot cleaner, 38 quid off eBay. H2 Industrial Supplies. I've got no affiliation with them, I've just bought the kit from them, so have a look out for them if you're in the market for a clamp kit for a Bridgeport size mill. Thanks for watching. I'll get back on with the job I was doing a moment ago.